It's a strange thing in the Florida law. Anyone with a real estate license can sell any piece of real estate. Person could be brand new, sell you a single wide trailer. Person could be brand new and sell you the Wells Fargo Bank building. It doesn't distinguish itself. But the truth of it is, when you're involved with commercial properties, buying, selling, or even just renting, you've got to be in the hands of someone whose expertise is specifically commercial real estate. I've got a trusted friend of mine, Elisabeth D'Augerot, with me from SVR Realty to share the how and the why it's so important. Elisabeth, happy being with you as always, ma'am.
Thank you. It's so nice to be here with you, Wally.
So I find it almost criminal that anyone with a real estate license can list or sell any piece of property. Why, from your years of experience, is it so critical that the expertise be in that specific commercial genre that the person has need?
Well, really in any type of real estate, it's important to know your field inside and out. But you can go anywhere from, losing money, not having a contract written up properly, not doing the proper due diligence, really making sure your client is taken care of from the front to the back. That's
one of the things I've noticed, the difference between competence in the residential real estate and competence in commercial real estate. Residential agents tend to be great with adjectives. Commercial real estate agents tend to be great with math. Yes. What's the cap rate? Where? On and on and on. It's a math problem, not a problem of describing the wallpaper in the bathroom.
Yes.
When you're dealing with a commercial buyer who's new to being a commercial buyer of real estate, how do you get them comfortable with the math of commercial real estate?
Really, if you break it down properly, kind of in layman's terms, that's your best way, to really get them comfortable. And we'll walk them through every step, but really it's breaking it down, to where they can understand the influx of cash and
turning commercial real estate lingo into cash using the language that they're comfortable to receive the information. It's kind of a consultative approach to bring them back so they know it's a commercial business. It's about earning money.
Exactly.
Guide them through. What do you do with a commercial buyer who says, I just love this building, and you look at it through the lens of an investment and it makes no sense at all? Where is that challenge between, but I love the way this building looks, and this is a loser economically? Is that a tough conversation?
I have never heard an investor say that. That's something you would deal with on a residential standpoint. But if it's
I'm with you. An investor would never say that. That's people who are skilled doing that all the time. Here's where I am. So the person is a business owner like me. I'm not a commercial real estate investor.
Right.
I own a commercial property to house my business. Okay. Same with a small medical practice or people who get enamored with the building. It feels right, the location's right, and the math doesn't make any sense.
Well, what I would look at and advise them is look for future, maybe add value opportunity, something like that. And if those don't really do something for the property, I would just advise them, listen, this is not going to be a great investment. You can buy it. Obviously, you could do whatever you want. But, this is what the future looks like for this property. These are what the percentage rate of growth is, et cetera, et cetera. So that way they understand exactly what they're getting into versus, just blindly falling into a bad investment.
Help them balance the emotion versus the economics. And if the emotion remains strong enough, they'll live with the lesser of the economics.
Exactly.
Great.
So.
Well, I always enjoy talking commercial real estate with you. For those who would enjoy that same conversation, what's the best way to get a hold of you?
Well, you can reach me at my cell phone number, 904-437-8122.
There you go. I want to thank Elisabeth for being with us. She and I have had the opportunity to have multiple conversations, and the joy of a conversation with Elisabeth is I end up smarter at the end of each one. I recommend it to you.